Ooh.
Sorry for the wait. Here you go, madam.
Oh, thank you.
What's this? Happy Halloween? What's going on?
I don't... What?
No.
Ah! This is Halloween. This is Halloween.
The menu looks so good. What should we try first?
The zombie.
Brains. Whoa, it looks so good. Whoa, it looks good. Huh? Where's mine?
I can't wait to try this.
We could split it?
Huh? What? No! Get your own brains! It smells so yummy, like strawberries. I'm going to enjoy every bite of this. So good. I think I'm getting smarter already. The sum of the squares of any two sides of an isosceles triangle is equal to the square root of the remaining side.
Are you okay? Complete this, please.
Huh? A test? But wait, I'm a genius. No problem. Done. I think you'll find I aced it. Impressed?
Okay, good start. Wrong, so wrong. Seriously?
A and F? How? Am I so dumb? Stupid brain muffin!
Where did this come from? Hey, look! I am going to vomit. This is so bad. I'm vegetarian. No! I'm not eating this. No way!
That doesn't look so bad. Hey, don't worry. I got this one. Ha! Just cut a little piece from here. Slightly overcooked, but no big deal. Bloody. Pretty good. You can really taste the clots.
Really? Okay, I'll try it. Yeah, it's good. I like it.
Haha, okay, next one. Dum dum dum. Smasher! Ugh, cockroach cakes. Ugh, they look so bad. Okay, here goes. That looks so gross. Is it moving? Nah, just your imagination. Ah, nope, no way. Not eating that. I can taste it. Disgusting. It's just a dead, horrible bug. It can't hurt you. Yuck, yuck, yuck! So crunchy! I can feel its legs move! Ugh, so gooey! I need to get rid of this! Yuck!
Just eat it.
Okay, one last try. It's not a cockroach. It's a nice chocolate bun. Still a cockroach! I can't do this! What the? Take that, and that, and that! Don't move! Stay right there! Get back here! Oh, that looks like chocolate syrup. Tastes like it too.
Please don't. Remind me to get you some toothpaste after this. Okay, so this looks like a pretty normal cake. I mean, I do like frosting. Hold on, there's something in there.
No way! It's money!
100, 200, 300, 4... I'm rich! There's more! I'm going to order so much pizza. It just keeps going. There's so much.
Okay, this is so unfair. Psst. Who's there?
Hello?
And now to make some money. It's mine! The perfect crime.
That was so weird.
My money! It's gone! Did you see?
believe it. Oh well, at least I still have some cake. Ugh, I'd rather be rich. Okay, number 3. Let's see what happens when I press choose the witch. Ooh, this looks fun. Witch's fingers. Looks like candy. Or asparagus.
Have you seen this? A bowl of worms! This is so horrible!
Well, bon appetit.
You're really going to eat that?
Here goes.
I can't watch, but I can't look away. I didn't realize we had to dress up for dinner.
Your turn.
No, you can't make me. What are you doing? Why are you floating? Ah! Okay, you just had to say please. I'll eat the wiggly worms. Don't hurt me. Pretend it's spaghetti. It's dirty. So juicy. So flavorsome. So good. The dirt just adds so much to the taste. I'm in heaven. I feel a little gassy now.
Don't you dare.
Pardon me. Ladies first.
I'll go for the vampire.
Ooh, a bat. Cool. So cute. I can't eat you. What are you? Ugh.
Eyeballs. They look good. You wanna trade?
Okay, time to eat this cute little guy. This is amazing.
It looks good.
Something's happened. I feel a change. I want to suck your blood.
Quit messing around. I need to concentrate. Okay, they're just eyeballs.
I need blood.
It's just like a fancy drink, like olives. They really are like olives. I don't need this anymore.
Come to me. Ah, sharp! Ouchie!
I definitely order another one of these.
Pain! So sore!
Ow, what was that? Probably nothing.
Do you know a good dentist?
Are you okay? You look a bit pale.
I think I cracked a tooth.
What spooky food would you serve at your Halloween party? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more spooky videos just like this one.